Carbon family. The meaning of carbon family is his name from the carbon, its beginning, the first element of his family. While the 4A represents the Roman number 4. The, the electronic configuration of this family is around of 4 electrons. If represents the outermost shells beginning the two carbon tree for silicon. Then these 4 electrons are represents of symbols Ns2 and P2, such as configuration suggests the importance referring to relatively stable noble gas atom configuration for processing each element in determining the properties of the element, in particular in chemistry properties.
Main physical and chemical properties of group IVA. Physical change. Group IVA, group 14, are composed of elements that are carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, and lead. Are all solids at room temperature with 4 valence electrons. They show a transition from non-metallic, that are carbon and silicon, to metallic, that are germanium, to metallic, again, that are tin and lead. With decreasing ionization energy, electronegativity and melting points and boiling points, but increasing density and atomic radius down the graph. In chemical chains, possess 4 valence electrons, generally exhibiting as +4 and +2 oxygen states. Chemical properties tend from non-metallic to metallic, with decreasing electronegativity, ionization energy, forming covalent bonds, catenation, especially carbon, and stable deoxys. My favorite element are radon, and the electron configuration are C, F14, 5D10, 6S2, 6P6. Radon have 18,6 protons, and their main functions are is a natural occurring reactive colorless, odorless, and tasteless. Novel gas produced by the decay of uranium and radium in soil, rocks, and water. Its primary function in nature is its role in the reactive decay chain, though its physical properties make it useful for a specific scientific and environmental application. The discovery of radon and the origins of its name is radon chemical symbol Rn was 1899 and 1900, with its origins wrote in the early study of radioactivity following the discovery of radium and thorium. The name radon is derived from radium, as it was first identified as a gas emitted by that element.
Group IVA, also known as Group 14, is located in the middle right section of the periodic table. Specifically, column 14, it includes carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, and lead. These elements change from non-metals to metals as you move down the group. A key characteristic is that all four of them have 4 valence electrons, which allows them to form 4 bonds. This makes them very important for creating complex structures. Carbon, for example, is the basis of all life, while silicon is essential in modern technology like computers and phones. Some elements like lead can be toxic. Overall, this group is important in both biology and technology. My favorite element would be carbon. The symbol is a capital C. The atomic number is number 6. The atomic mass is 12.01. It's in group 14. It's in period 2. The type, it's a non-metal. The electric configuration is 1s2, 2s2, and 2p2. It has 4 valences. This is why carbon can form 4 bonds. Carbon is special because it can form a singular, double, and triple bonds, as well as it can bond with itself and create chains and rings. It can create millions of compounds. This is why carbon is the basis of organic chemistry. The physical properties is that it's solid at room temperature, can be very hard or soft. It has high melting point, usually black or transparent. The chemical properties are that it can react with oxygen, which forms CO2, burns, which releases energy, forms compounds like CO2 or CH. It makes up about 18% of our body. It's found in proteins, DNA, carbohydrates, and fats. Without carbon, life wouldn't exist. Some interesting facts about this element is that carbon can form more compounds than any other element. It's called the element of life. Diamonds and pencils are the same element, just different structure. And carbon cycle is essential for Earth. So yes. Group IVA, also known as Group 14, is located in the middle right section of the periodic table. Specifically, column 14, it includes carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, and lead. These elements change from non-metals to metals as you move down the group. A key characteristic is that all 4 of them have 4 valence electrons, which allows them to form 4 bonds. This makes them very important for creating complex structures. Carbon, for example, is the basis of all life, while silicon is essential in modern technology like computers and phones. Some elements like lead can be toxic. Overall, this group is important in both biology and technology.